400-degree fire, actually 500. We're going to be putting this pizza on there. The good old kegerator sitting there waiting for us to put the 10 gallons of raspberry in there. Going to be batch number 57 today. It's going to be a mango puree. I guess that's all I could say. The wife wants to make this one, so we're going to try it. It's a homemade recipe again. That's going to be using Belgian Pilsner. Of course, we'll put it across the mash tun when I dough in. Here's the grain bill, already ground up here. Everything's ready to rock and roll, sticking in the mash tun. I'm going to go get the water boiling outside there. A few more things to take out with me, and we're going to be good to go. So this will be batch number 57. Don't even know what I'm going to call it. Update here at the Vineyard. These babies are coming in nice. These are the Cascades variety. They're starting to fill in really nice up at the top. The camera's picking all that up or not, but they're growing nice, especially on this plant. The other one's a little slower because all the construction here put some shade in, and we're trying to find a new spot for them where they're going to grow the best. But they're coming along really nice. I don't know what kind of crop we'll get out of it. 2018 crop, we'll find out. We'll see how it goes. Some of these are little yet. Just look at the end of the month yet. Loft out here now, and the mango beer I'm making, I guess, it's called a mango. I'll run one Verloft pitcher here quick. It's pretty warm out here again. 1 hour mash. That looks good. It's looking good. That's looking really good. Yeah, we're not going to mess around with a lot of her lofting here because she runs clear right away. Yeah, we're done. Not messing around. I'm going to go right to the boil. Kettle here, quick. As soon as I find my hose again. Right over here. Get that on there. That valve open. We're running a filter in there anyway. So there we go. The mango being drained, baby. The mango is being drained, baby, baby, baby. Why wouldn't it be? And we'll be boiling here in about 8 minutes, I'm hoping. Before it boiled over, it just started the mango beer here I'm making. Just started to boil over with the hot break. Turned my back for a second. She started to come over. I reached down, got the knob. I'm going to turn her down a little bit more again. I'm ready to throw in the 2.5 ounces of Citra hops. As soon as I get my boil under control here, because we did spits it out. She's still coming up. She still wants the hot break over. Spritzer bottles really help out a lot. There's the hot break. It's just, wow, having a little bit of issues here, but not too bad, not too bad. Otherwise, things are going really good, this boil. Right on target. We're only 2.5 hours in here. I love the fast burn. Okay, you can go 2.5 ounces of Citra hops. I'll set our clock for our 45 minutes. And then we're on our way. And we use these cheap phones here. So we want, come on, 40, 45, 45, 45. Yeah, where is it here? 45 start. Okay. So we're on with the boil with the Citra hops are in there. I'm sweating like a pig out here. It's hot again. I don't know what I'm thinking. It'll be a lot cooler to brew in the house in the air conditioner, but good thing I didn't do that in the house, because I did spill some on the ground here a little bit. And of course, concrete, we're not going to hurt it. Not going to hurt it at all. So on with the boil of the mango. 45 minutes in, I got the sanitizer ready. The wort chillers in a bucket of sanitizer there. So we're ready to rock and roll here pretty soon. Probably end up cleaning the mash tun out today too. Oh, got a nice boil going now. So yeah, some sort of mango beer. Once again, the wife wanted to try this one. Another homemade recipe. We'll see how it turns out. Might turn out to be crap. But we still got the 10 gallons of raspberry in the fermenters ready to hit the kegs, which we know that's a damn good beer. So we know it's a damn good beer. How you doing? Last 15 minutes, a little yeast nutrient. What else we put in there? Candy sugar. 1/2 pound of candy sugar. Let me shut this timer off here. Yeah, hello timer. All right, 15 minutes. 1/2 pound of homemade candy sugar. It's like rock candy. Oh God, it's good to eat, you know. And that's not what we're doing today. We're brewing with it. Make sure you don't get splattered with that. That might tend to stick a little bit. So you might want to stir it up a little bit. And I got to get my other addition of hops in here, which is 2 ounces of Willamette. Okay, make sure all that candy sugar isn't sticking. Might as well give it a little whirlpool, doesn't matter. Here we go. That. And I brought a beer out here, Big Ditch Company. It's a real good beer for our city here. Nice little IPA, wheat IPA. So we're going to get another bricks reading here. Might as well do that right now. I like to do it 15 minutes into the end here, just to get an idea what's going on. You'll be close. You won't be changing too much more in the last 15 minutes. So after the addition of the candy sugar, we want to see what we get here. Let's see, a little hard to see. That brought us up from 1041, not bad. And we're at 1046. That's pretty good. We're going to leave it there. It's going to be a good sessionable beer in 1046. Don't have to be super duper alky there, but she should come in at maybe, I don't know, 4.5%, someplace in there. I don't know if I'm done. I always check it with the hydrometer and stuff, so you never really know till you check it at the bitter end. Depends on the kind of yeast you're using. So back to the boil. I'm going to throw in the 2 ounces of Willamette hops. They're into the boil. I put in some yeast nutrient. I got that in there. We did a pH adjustment on this water down to 5.8. Why wouldn't I? What else we got going here? Irish moss. We don't want to forget that in the last 15 minutes. That looks like about a cap left I got here, maybe. Not sure. Yeah, I can put all that in there, just about. That's nothing. Got more of that in the house where we fill the jar. So all our ingredients are in here, I hope. I'm going to get the yeast in here, pitch it in a bucket shortly. I'm going to hook up the wort chiller. Let's see how long it takes to cool down. It's been a real good brew day. Real good, no problems. A little boil over in the beginning, but I caught it instantly. It was just a little splatter on the ground. Right down there, no big deal. It's in the concrete, can't hurt nothing. So there's the boil going. And we're on with this mango brew, I guess you call it. That's what the wife wanted. Flame out. And we're cooling, we're chilling. Wort chiller's in. Got the gauge in. I want you to drop quick. Got the hot bags are still in there. I put a bag over this. I normally do, so I got to do that now instead of watching it. Shut this off for a minute over here and get back to the brew. Take a sip of beer. Why wouldn't I? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very good, very good. Out here. It is hot out here. We're 82 again. 82. I can drain the sanitizer in this other bucket on top of my my Vineyards mango puree. That's what this beer is. The wife wanted the mango. Don't know why, but the recipe changed in mid recipe. That's what's nice about writing your own recipes. You don't have to stick with anything. You go with the flow, and you know, I made some good beers. The only bad beer that I do say I made was that stout. It was so chocolatey, so much coffee and chocolate. It was you could chew it. I think I was the only one that liked it, and I did not dump it down the drain. It was just very, very malty beer, I'll tell you that. I might revisit that recipe come Christmas time because it goes good with Christmas cookies. Why wouldn't it? Oh, it's a challenge on a hot day again in the city. My grill's up to 500 degrees. Why wouldn't it be? But that's what the pizza looks like when you put it on the grill. I try to keep it even all the way around here, about 2 inches away. We're going to close it down at the 500 degree mark, and we're going to crank it up even hotter. Like it's going to be it's a wood-fired pizza, so just to absorb the difference of the stone temperature of the pizza, we're going to take it up to the Stone Temple Pilots. So how you doing? All right, we brought the pizza in off the Big Green Egg here. Woohoo! Woohoo! And she looks done now. Not totally burned on the bottom, but I got to find the anchovies because I know the wife don't like those. The pizza stone is red hot. Man, is it hot. Just refuse to burn myself again. I do too much of that when I make beer. She's the cotton. It's like I'm butchering it. I got olives bouncing over here like the song. Can't mention the song. And the stones stay so hot that the dough is actually still cooking on the bottom here. Oh man. Wife put some meatballs on here from the other day. Why wouldn't she? Very good. So off to the recliner for some pizza. Hopefully she won't get an anchovy because she does not like them. But